In today's video, I'm going to teach you to edit a PDF in OneNote. By the end, you'll be able to bring a PDF into your notebook, lock it in place so it doesn't shift around, and comfortably annotate right on top of it. Let's start by getting your PDF into OneNote as a printout. You can do this the quick way by dragging and dropping the PDF file directly onto your OneNote page. If you prefer using the menu, go to the Insert tab and choose File Printout. When OneNote asks how you want to insert it, make sure you select the option to Insert as a printout. This creates an image of each page of your PDF right inside your notebook. The benefit here is that the layout, fonts, and graphics look exactly like the original document, and you can write or type over it without changing the underlying formatting. If your PDF is multiple pages, OneNote will place each page image in order down your note. Give it a moment if the file is large. High-resolution printouts can take a few seconds to render. Once the pages are in, the next step is to set the PDF page images as the background. This keeps them from being accidentally dragged or selected while you annotate. Right-click on the image of the first PDF page. If you're on a Mac, Control-click. In the menu that appears, choose Set Picture as Background. You'll notice that the image now feels pinned to the page. Repeat this for each page you plan to work on. It's best to do this before you start marking things up so you don't have to fix anything later if the image shifts. With the printout locked in place, you can comfortably annotate. Use the Draw tab to pick a pen or highlighter and write notes directly on top of the PDF. If you prefer typing, click where you want and start a text container. It will sit neatly over the background without moving it. You can zoom in for precise handwriting, change pen thickness and color for emphasis, and add arrows or simple shapes to call out important sections. Because the PDF is a background image, all your ink and text stay on top, making your notes clean and organized. That's it. Insert the PDF as a printout so each page appears in your notebook, then set those images as the background to lock them down. From there, annotate freely with pens, highlighters, or typed notes. This workflow keeps your PDF stable and your annotations tidy, giving you a smooth, reliable editing experience right inside OneNote.